Okay guys, so we are at this very amazing location. As you can see behind me, you have got the entire view of Ras Al Khair Wildlife Sanctuary. So on one side you have got Dubai Creek Harbour, and here you have Ras Al Khair Wildlife Sanctuary, and on that side you have got Maidan, and then you have got the current downtown of Dubai. What I really like about this location and this particular project, Azizi Creek Views 1, is that on the left hand side you have got the upcoming downtown where the tallest tower, the Creek Tower is coming up. And then you on this side you have got the Ras Al Khair Wildlife Sanctuary, which will always be there, because it's a preserved wildlife sanctuary. And towards the right hand side you have got Maidan, wherein the Maidan 1 mall and the Maidan 1 tower, the tallest residential tower, is coming up. And towards your right you have got Burj Khalifa and downtown Dubai. So from here you can have the view of the past and the present and the future of Dubai. And again, one more thing, one more USP is that you have got the Zabil Palace here, and because of the Zabil Palace there will be no more development which will be coming towards this side. So you will always have this amazing, this very beautiful view of downtown Dubai. And on this side, because there is a road, you will always have this amazing view of Maidan. And towards this side you have got the low-rise mag resorts coming up. So you will always have the view of Dubai Creek Harbour. So in terms of views and in terms of location, I honestly feel that this place has a lot of potential. Why? Because it's only 5 minutes from downtown, and then in future there will be a connectivity from Chadaf to Dubai Creek Harbour. So you will be only 3 to 4 minutes from Dubai Creek Harbour, the new downtown. You are again very close to Maidan. You are very close to Al Khail Road. So connectivity wise it's a very good location. View wise it's a very good location, and the best part is it's value for money. You have got studios starting here with 600,000 dirhams. What else can you ask for? You have got the payment plan, which is 40-60. You only pay 40% now, 60% on handover. And I'm standing at Creek Views 1. They will be constructing Creek Views 2 right opposite to it. And on the other side of Creek Views 2 is your Al Khail Road, Al Khail Street. So you will always have that view on either side of the project. And for more details, we have got Prithviraj Khude from Azizi, who I believe is the hardest working guy from a developer lobby that I have ever met. And I will hand it over to Azizi. Prithvi.
So guys, by far this is my favorite project. I have always loved this project. Now this is Creek Views 1, but I am offering you Creek Views 2. And everyone wants to see Burj Khalifa from their house. I am giving you whatever tallest tower of entire Dubai you want to see. Be it Burj Khalifa, be it SLS, Damac Paramount, Maidan 1 tower, and also you have this option of world's tallest residential tower, world's tallest tower coming up in Creek Harbour, Creek Tower. That view is also there. So currently we are standing in the lap of nature but close to the city. So this is just 5 minutes from World Trade Center Sheikh Zayed Road. Creek Views 2 offers studio 1 bed 2 bed at a very good price, starting from as low as 569,000. What else is there? So real estate is about location, location, location. Creek Views 2 is about view, view, view. So we have view of entire Ras Al Khair Wildlife Sanctuary. This is already announced as natural habitat, so there will be no construction here. So all this water view is there for lifetime. Second, the Dubai skyline. Dubai has one of the world's tallest skyscrapers. Everything you can see from this project. All the Dubai skyscrapers are in front of you. Plus there is Zabil Palace, so there will be no construction here as well. So by far Creek Views 2 beats every project in terms of location, in terms of views, in terms of price, and in terms of ROI.
And the best part is it's very affordable. So you only have to pay 600,000 dirhams for a studio, and that too in a 40-60 payment plan, wherein you are only paying 40% right now and 60% on possession. So you only pay 240,000 dirhams right now. For the remaining 360,000 dirhams you can go for a mortgage, and your EMI will be less than 2,000 dirhams a month. Imagine getting all these views, the best of Dubai, for less than 2,000 dirhams a month. It's only possible with Azizi. If you need more details, click the link below and we will get you a unit and we will get in touch with you.